y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed this wig from Ashimary hair. Of course, y'all know I'm going to link all the specs to the hair down in the description bar below, but this is a 13 by 6 full lace frontal loose deep wave and a 26-inch. These are all the goodies they sent me, and this is the wig. It is a transparent lace. It didn't come with any combs, which I love because I don't like combs in my wig. And the curl pattern was absolutely gorgeous. But let's go ahead and start off with the plucking. So when I pluck, I do like to use some type of product. Today I'm using mousse. Usually I'll use a spray bottle of water, but I basically this wig already came like kind of thin in the front, like I guess basically like pre-plucked. So I didn't have to overdo the plucking. So I parted out the hairline and just plucked behind the hairline, and then I pulled the hairline back and just blended in the hairline with the wig. So it's pretty simple. This is definitely beginner friendly, especially like if you're new to plucking, because you don't have to do too much.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking.
Okay, so this is just me trying on the wig to see how it fits, and at this point I'm realizing this 13 by 6 is giving very much 15 by 6. It was a lot of lace, which is honestly really good, especially for the big head girlies, because I know a lot of people have a hard time like with the frontal wigs and their wigs are too small. This wig ended up being too big for me, so the frontal was literally so huge, which I was happy about because it is a 6, like it's a lot of parting space. It goes back 6 inches, which was great, but I did have to cut off quite a bit on the sides, but that wasn't really an issue. So as you can see, I just cut it off and it fit right, you know. And then I did the other side off camera, and then I'm going ahead and putting some makeup on the lace to match my skin tone. And y'all, I realized this a little bit later, but this makeup was a little bit dark for my skin because this is my summer color, but that's okay. It still came out right. I'm using some alcohol to clean up my skin, and I did do my bar cap method off camera. I didn't do nothing but slick my hair down, put 2 braids in the back, and put the cap on. Nothing major. And also, I am using some scalp protectant, the Erica J kind. I do not like this product, so that's why I did not show it. I'm using the Boho Active Glue. I'm not gonna say I don't like the product. You just can't use it with other brands. So yeah. So anyways, if you're gonna use that, you need to use it with the Erica J glue. So I did 3 layers of the glue. I just only did 1 layer on camera, and I let it dry. I would have let it dry more clear than this, but yeah, I was on time constraints. So this is where I realized that I had messed up. Y'all, I didn't tighten my band inside of my wig. So you see how it looks like wrinkly, how my lace is like not laying how it should be. It's because my wig is too big and it's not, I don't have any, I don't know how to explain it, but like it's not tight enough. So if it was tighter, it would like hold on to my head. But I am going to end up showing y'all how I fix that. So of course, stay tuned to the end of the video because I will show y'all how I fix that part. But I'm just going to be laying down the wig, and then I'm going to cut the lace off and everything. I'm going to put my edge band on, and then I'm going to style it and everything, but I am going to show y'all how I get rid of those wrinkles that happen when your lace is too big.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see you're healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been there for too long.
Okay, so y'all, now that I'm done pulling out my edges and stuff, I'm going to go around and spray my lace with this lace spray. This spray is going to kind of loosen up the glue, but once it dries, it's going to hold the glue really good in place. So I'm going to make sure I spray really good, and then I'm going to spray that front part where it's wrinkling up. I'm going to spray that again. Make sure it gets good and saturated. And then I'm going to tie my adjustable straps in the back. I'm going to tie them really good and tight. Not too tight where it hurts, but you know, real good and tight where the wig is snug to my head. And as you can see already that it took the wrinkles right on out of the lace. So that was a really simple, quick, easy fix. I know some people do have problems with their lace wrinkling up, so that's going to solve that problem. So all I'm going to do is make sure my part is straight, fix that, and then I'm going to put my edge band on.
7 days a week, 7 days a week, but now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. This gon' be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
Okay, so now I'm going to be parting out my hair to do my 2 butterfly braids in the front. I'm pretty much doing the same thing on one side as I am on the other, so I'm only going to show one. But I'm spraying my hair with some spritz to get that hair out the way, and then I'm spraying the part that I'm going to do the butterfly braid with some spritz too. So I'm just parting it, and then I'm just going to go and braid it all the way down. And once I do that, I'm going to put a rubber band on the end and begin to fluff the braid out.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing. love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just, yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. Just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, y'all, so this is pretty much the end result of the hairstyle. I think it came out super, super cute. I love me a butterfly braid. And I also love the lace and the versatility of this lace. So get into it. Definitely check Ashimary hair out. Of course, I'm going to leave everything in the description bar below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.